Hey guys, welcome to my channel Daily Talk. We celebrate Teachers Day to show our gratitude and respect for our teachers. Every year on 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers Day. Fifth September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, which is celebrated as Teachers' Day since 1962. Every country in the world has its own Teachers' Day. In India, it's on September 5th. Do you know World Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th October? The best way to gift our teachers on this day is to follow the life lessons they have taught us forever. Teachers are the most respected person in a student's life. So is the Teachers' Day. Teachers not only teachers guide us, teachers support us, teachers love us, teachers inspire us. A teacher can be a friend, philosopher, guide to us. A best gift for a teacher is to remember them all throughout our life and to be in touch with them. Happy Teachers' Day! Bye! See you later!